A nation is built by dreams, by unity, and by the hearts of its people. Today, MGN Vibes proudly presents a powerful Children's Independence Day anthem, dedicated to every citizen of India.
Penned by one of India's best lyricists, Master Nataraju.
Listen with pride, dance with joy, sing with one voice, and celebrate the spirit of our great India.
Come on everyone, let's unite as one. Raise the tricolor high.